Hello, CEO coaches. I want to welcome you to this month's Done For You bundle on how to create an online course, a step-by-step coaching program to turning your passion into a profitable online course. This is going to be a bundle that your clients are going to be very much interested in, especially those who have a story to tell. They have a passion that they want to share with other people. And if you are a coach trying to teach your clients how to build like passive income, online courses are going to be the way. Okay, so this is going to be great for other coaches, entrepreneurs, service providers, everyone who's looking for another way to bring in extra income. Creating a course is on the best way. I mean, clearly, they say in 2025, over $80 billion will be spent on learning, online learning. So why not jump on this bandwagon and teach your clients how to do the same? So we're going to be taking a deep dive, looking in what is included inside of this bundle. So stay tuned. So let's start with the slides that are included in this bundle. So you're going to get a slide presentation of 35 slides to actually teach them how to create a winning course. So included is going to be the template. So this is where you would, like to stay to the end, give them a freebie. So you can teach this course as a free webinar that leads them to one of maybe your higher coaching programs, or this can be a standalone masterclass that you teach as well. So everything is included. So if you want to make an offer at the end, here's the slides for making the offer at the end. And you can design this. From what I realized, someone just told me that you can upload your Canva. You can upload your PowerPoint slides into Canva and make any changes there, add whatever like extra stuff, especially if you're presenting your presentation through Canva. So you can actually upload this PowerPoint document inside of Canva and then make your changes, add your designs and your branding as you like it. So that's a sweet little new feature that Canva allows you to do. Next, let's take a look at the worksheets that come along with the masterclass. So you guys know I love me a worksheet because it helps people implement what you have taught them. So this is the real key to transformation, having people implement what you teach them with worksheets. So as you can see, this worksheet covers course identification. It helps them to break down their course into individual lessons. They've got supplements. So what are the supplements that might come along with the course, and in bonus videos. Also, if they're going to have a private Facebook group or membership, if they're going to be into physical products that they mail out to people. You also got formulas for naming the course as well, and any other brainstorming notes. And then you also get the launch schedule. What are they going to do day 1 through 9, day 1 through 9 of what they're going to do to actually market their course so they can get people to buy it. So this is a really good worksheet. You can turn this into a workbook. You can add it to other additional sheets, to the articles. This is really good. So if you haven't created your own online course, then this worksheet will help you as well to brainstorm what your online course could be as well. So the next thing I want to share with you is this bundle comes along with a ebook. Okay, so maybe you don't have time to record the video or the slides as a video presentation, and maybe you just want to upload a ebook. Well, here's the ebook that goes through everything that your client will need to build their online course. It talks about the benefits, the basis of an online course. It talks about the topics, the learning outcomes. So that worksheet that I just showed you will be a great supplement to this ebook. Okay, so it also goes in encouraging and pre-selling. So this ebook is broken down into, let's see. This ebook is broken down into, let's see how many chapters it is. It's a good little ebook here, right? Into 9 chapters. Okay, so there's so many things that you can do. You can package this up again. You can package it up with the worksheet. You can break out each chapter. So if you're really gung-ho about teaching your clients on how to build their own course, you can break down each one of these chapters and they can become separate training on their own video training. So, I mean, the options are just so open for this particular Done For You bundle. Well, that's not all. The other club members, I gave them a choice about did they want an ebook or a 7-day challenge, and they wanted both. So included in this bundle, you get a bonus 7-day challenge. I love a challenge anyway, and so I included it. So this has a 7-day walkthrough on teaching the benefits and the reasons why your clientele or your clients or your course people or your membership members need to develop a course or have their own course. So it walks them through 7 days. After each day, you can make an offer. You can pitch them the online course masterclass. You can pitch your own coaching program. Maybe you're going to put together a maybe a 6 month, 6 week coaching program, group coaching program. Then this is a way that you can sell them into that group coaching program. You can also use this as content inside of your membership, so you can break it down day by day, or it can be bundled again into like an audio program, and you can sell it as individual audios for each day that they would listen to. Okay, so it's a great way to build your list. It's a great way to sell your offer. It's a great way to brand yourself, position yourself. It's so many options with this 7-day challenge that you can do. Now, you guys know how I love a article or blog post article, because look, I write every blog post for you. Inside of this bundle, you get 4 blog post articles that you can post as is on your website if you're a blogger. Now, if you're not a blogger and you're like, oh, Elise, I don't have one, how do I use this? Well, look, I've included the intro, title, introduction to each and every one of these articles, just in case you want to use it as a podcast. So if you do that, all you do is read what's in each article. So now you have 4 podcast episodes if you use the articles in that way. And maybe you got a video. You can use the articles as outlines for your videos on YouTube, or maybe if you have like a conference call that you do once a month or once a week, you can use the content for your conference call. You can also use bits and pieces of the articles as social media content. So if you are like a social media post, you can create a graphic that says 3 things to avoid when launching an online course. And you can do point 1, point 2, point 3, etc. Right? You can create reels from this content so it can be used in so many different ways for your social media or brand awareness campaign. Last but not least is the sales copy. I'm not going to ever leave you hanging, because I know you want to know exactly what to say when you are selling your course. Well, I've included all the sales copy that you need to actually sell this course to your audience. I include the headlines, the description. I talk about the features, what's in it, etc. And then here in the red, it says if you have a mock-up of what the course looks like, this is where you will drop the image. So you can use this copy on your social media posts. You can use it in your on your website. You can use it as a blog post article and then link to them to the actual page where they can sign up to buy your course, right? So again, everything is there for you that you can use as your own, rebrand it, put your own name, change the name of the program however you want to use it. Well, that's it. That is this month's Done For You bundle on how to create an online course, a step-by-step coaching program to turning your passion into a profitable online course. Enjoy.